Bro, man, I tell you the truth, brother. Not do nothing for go to prison. Prison I don't know where you for one go. I mean, no life, no dead at all. You see what I mean? I mean, you lose everything when you're there at prison. And you can't gain nothing. You see me, I say so. Wouldn't advise a youth for push no badness or do nothing, cause no youth go prison never push badness, you know. So I can't just make it look like a youth or push badness to end up at prison.
Right.
So I say, listen, you all walk the straight and narrow line and you still find yourself at prison. If that for happen to you, just try to stay solid and grounded at all times. You see me? And don't lose focus of life. Because I see youth forward in, we get like 4 years. And the first, as him walk through the prison gate, him mad. Like literally mad. Them have to carry him for a madman block. Right. So me I tell the youth them, brother, nothing of they for gain at prison. Not even respect. Nothing of they are prison for gain, brother. And one bag of crosses. You hear me tell you? One bag of crosses. And trial and tribulation. So youth, if you have to wipe 2 car glass, do that. If you have to sell some little savings for go and turn and change, do that. But don't do nothing at all, brother. We go with me go for 13 years. Because I tell you the truth, brother, the worst of my life.
I don't want no man tell me about loyalty, you know, because loyalty not pay a blood clot. You say, me I say, look how Shawn Stamp sets up and go to jail with cartel to bumbo clot. Go do 13 years and come back. You say, me I say, how many man go do 13 years and come back? See? How one man got the car mat go buy Bima? Where fish and Stamp Bima there? Where fish Stamp bumbo clot Benz there? You say, me I say, after you do 13 years with a man. Me do 30, you do 13 years for me as my soldier. Me a set up and say, yo, me just step out together, we roll up at the car mat. If me could buy one Beamer for $10 million, me make sure say me buy one for bumbo clot 5 and make sure say you get one too. $5 million Beamer. That's why I know no guy tell me about loyalty. Loyalty no pay a bumbo clot. Only somebody more loyalty. I'm a girl, I'm a bumbo clot, youth them. I'm a mother, I'm a father. Me no want no man no loyalty a bumbo clot. That's why I mean in a gang business, you know. Kai and fear, you know, fear. A bumbo clot, but loyalty.